Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up exercise mode in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up exercise mode, we need to go to settings, and here we're looking for modes and routines. Here we have our exercise mode. We can set up conditions so it turns on automatically. For example, place, gym, during exercise, with supporting app opened. Whatever we need, we can turn on do not disturb if we don't want to be disturbed during our workout. We can also restrict app usage. As you can see, we can simply tap applications and done. As you can see, restrict app usage except clock and 8 more that we choose. There are some more options here: play music, media volume, etc., etc. Also, we can change wallpaper to the one that will remind us that our phone is in workout mode, so we can tell by a single glance. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.